Hello and welcome to a video tutorial for CTStudentfilms.org. Now, as you can see, we're in an ePortfolio page and we're looking at my profile, and that is because this video tutorial is going to show you how you can take a video from CTStudentfilms.org and embed it into your profile page, perhaps to demonstrate your skills or perhaps to show a recent piece of work. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go and locate the video in which we would like to put on our profile. So we're going to go over to CT Student Films and we're going to go and find our video. Now, luckily I know where my video is. I'm going to go through channels. I know it's in DM3 and it's this video tutorial. Hello and welcome. Turn the sound off. So the first thing we're going to do is you can see over in the right hand side we've got add video to your blog. So you've got the URL, but you've also got the embed code. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the embed code. Now this process is only for taking the video from ctstudentfilms.org and putting it straight into your ePortfolio. The process will differ a little bit if you're putting it into a WordPress website, for example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this code and I'm going to go back to my profile. Now I'm actually going to open up a text editor here, but it can be a sticky or any other note function that you have available on your computer or laptop. I'm going to paste the code. Now as you can see, it's quite a large code. Now the reason why I've pasted the code here is unfortunately on the ePortfolios it can't read the embed codes, and so we need to do just a little bit of editing to this code for it to work in our ePortfolio and on our profile page. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the first line of this embed code where it says embed. We're going to copy that line all the way over to .swf and we're going to leave those quotation marks. So just to .swf, copy that code. I'm going to paste it just at the bottom here. Now you might be asking yourself, hey, why am I doing this? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a question mark for why do I have to do this, okay? And that is something that you're going to have to add yourself, that question mark. So just to remind yourself, hey, why am I doing this? Your next step is to take the word file. Again, you're going to leave these quotation marks. You're going to take the word file and you're going to copy this part of the code all the way down to .flv. And for those of you that know, that stands for flash video. I'm going to copy that code and we're going to paste it straight after the question mark. Now we've actually finished the code that we need to copy, and I'm going to add some quotation marks just to finish that code, and then I'm going to take this last little section here, copy that, and then paste that into my code. Now I'm finished. So I've edited down that initial embed code that was generated from ctstudentfilms.org and edited down into a smaller code that the ePortfolio can read. I'll just take you through that process very quickly one more time. I'm going to take this first line embed code all the way up to .swf. We're going to leave those quotation marks. Copy that down here. Then I'm going to go and find the word file, and I'm going to go and copy that all the way down to .flv, flash video. Now, then don't forget the question mark. Why are we doing this? Put in the question mark, then paste. Then I'm going to add the quotation marks, and then I'm going to take this last little section of the code just to complete the code. And now I have the code that I can now copy and paste into my ePortfolio. So I'm going to copy this new code. I'm going to go over to add widget, and then obviously I'm going to select a video widget, and I'm going to paste this code into this box. Then I'm going to just play around with the size here at the bottom. I'm actually going to make this 300, which I would suggest is a good size. I'm going to click Save Widget. I'm going to keep it as private, which means only those logged into my ePortfolio can see. And the video should now be here playing. Hello and welcome to a quick guide Final Cut Express video tutorial. Hopefully you're at the start. And that's the process for taking a video from ctstudentfilms.org and putting it into your ePortfolio. Now this process, if you're taking a video from YouTube, you don't need to go through this process. This process is only for taking a video from CTStudentfilms.org and putting it into the video widget that we have available on your profile page.